To solve 2 by 2 systems of equations, to know and use least common multiples, and to solve multi-step equations. Here is an example. You have a -4 and a +4. There is no need to do any multiplication on this problem, because if you add together, you eliminate the x's, since they are opposites. So there's no multiplying to do, just add and cancel these out. 3 plus 5 is 8. And then -5 plus 77. -5 plus 77 is 72. Do the division, and you should get an answer of 9 for y. Plug that back in to either this one or this one. I'm going to choose the top one. -4x plus 3 times 9 equals -5. Simplify and then move. I can't line up the equal signs because I don't have enough room on the screen. So it becomes -27. Simplify the right, -32, and divide by -4. That will be an 8 for x. So your final answer is 8, 9. Practice problem. 5x plus 2y equals 40 and -x plus y equals -8. Solve the system of equations. The solution for the practice problem, you have a 5 and a -1. 5 and -1, the least common multiple between the two would be a 5. Now you can forget about the negative sign for right now. Just think of it as 5 and 1. There's no need to multiply the top by anything, but on the bottom you multiply by 5. The top stays the same, but on the bottom you have a -5x plus 5y equals a -40. And when you add those two together, these cancel out. 2 plus 5 is 7, and 40 plus a -40 is 0. So 0 divided by 7 is 0. Plug it into this one or this one. I'll choose the top one. 5x plus 2 times 0 equals 40. Of course, that's going to be 0, which you can then drop and be left with 5x equals 40. Divide 40 by 5. Get an answer of 8. You should have 8, 0 for your final answer. X plus 4y equals 42 and -3x plus 4y equals 18. Solve the system of equations. The solution for the practice, you have a 1 and a 3. 1 and 3 out on the left. The least common multiple will be 3. That's why we multiply the top one by 3 to get a 3 in this place. That would be 3x plus 12y equals 126. And then on the bottom, that one stays the same. Now, since we can add them together, we will cancel out because these are opposite. And then 12 plus 4 is 16. And 126 plus 54 is 180. Oh, we shouldn't even have a 54 here. That's my fault, because the bottom one stayed the same. That's still 18. No wonder we couldn't figure this out. So we'll just scratch that out and go with 16y equals 126 plus 18, which is 144. That's a lot better. And 144 over 16 will give us 9. Now go back and plug in the 9 to either this one or this one. I'll choose the bottom one. That's going to be a negative 3x plus 4 times 9 equals 18. Simplify to get 36. And then move that over to the right side. Make it minus 36. That simplifies to negative 18. Divide by negative 3. Answer is 6. 6, 9 is the final answer.